What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial offers you a number of suggestions for finding popular songs and challenges for making interesting reels. Find the hottest sounds to make your reels pop with this tutorial, which covers everything from utilizing the Explore page as an audio search to watching other producers and following trend reports. There are various ways to locate popular music for your Instagram Reels. To begin with, open the Instagram app, then click the magnifying glass button below to navigate the Explore page. To find song names and artists, tap the search bar. Next, select the audio tab located here. You can use this to browse the currently popular audios. The second way is to subscribe to the Instagram account of the creator. You may access their weekly trend stories from this page to see what's trending this week, as well as last week's top songs and challenges. There you have it. Very quick and easy, right? If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.